Cagayan, no? Sentry, oh. Pero limket kay, I can see it.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now on our final approach. Please make sure that your seatbelts are securely fastened.
Cagayan de Oro College, oh. Paseo del Rio. There, Paseo del Rio. Do you see the bridge? In the con, that's Paseo del Rio.
What's that say?
Not yet. Price, oh.
So SM is near here. Where's SM? Where's SM?
We're flying near it na. There's SM, oh. There, oh. SM.
Houses. Good one. iPad.
Yeah, we're almost landing na. Pueblo de Oro. Dero, Pueblo de Oro, Paulo.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Lumbia Airport. Welcome to Cagayan de Oro. And time check for convenience, it's 56 minutes past the hour of 4 in the afternoon. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Refrain from standing as a sudden application of the brakes may cause you to fall and injure yourself. Do not remove your carry-on baggage from the overhead stowage bins until the aircraft has come to a full stop and you have been given permission to disembark. Before deplaning, please ensure to check your seating area for any items you might leave behind. Once the seatbelt sign has been turned off, take precaution when retrieving your carry-on baggage from the overhead stowage bins. The items may have shifted during the flight and may fall and injure you or the passengers seated around you. On behalf of Captain Marvin C., First Officer Darwin Humawas, your cabin crews Joe Franz, Michelle, Nico, this is Kirsten thanking you for flying Airphil Express and Philippine Airlines. It was a pleasure having you on board and we hope to see you again soon in any of your future flights. Maraming salamat po.
Another airplane coming in.
I'm Batman. I'm Batman. I'm Batman.
There's another plane coming.
It's raining.
It's raining, Paulo.